Viruses are acellular infectious agents composed primarily of nucleic acid surrounded by a protein coat. Unlike cellular organisms, viruses lack metabolic machinery and cannot replicate independently. Their replication requires entry into a host cell where the host transcriptional and translational systems are hijacked to produce viral components. Because of this dependence on host cells, viruses are classified as obligate intracellular parasites. The complete infectious viral particle is called a virion. A virion typically contains a genome composed of either DNA or RNA, but never both simultaneously. Viral genomes can be single stranded or double stranded and may exist as linear, circular, or segmented molecules, depending on the virus family. Surrounding a genome is the capsid, a protein shell made of repeating subunits called capsomeres that protect the viral nucleic acid and assist with host cell attachment. Some viruses possess an additional lipid envelope surrounding the capsid. This envelope originates from host cell membranes and contains viral glycoproteins that function as attachment proteins for host cell receptors. Because the envelope is derived from lipid membranes, envelope viruses are more sensitive to environmental stressors such as detergents, drying, and heat compared to non envelope viruses. Viruses exhibit several common morphological forms based on capsid structure. The major morphologies include helical, icosahedral, enveloped, and complex viruses. Helical viruses contain rod-shaped nucleocapsids, while icosahedral viruses display symmetrical 20-sided capsids. Envelope viruses possess a lipid membrane surrounding the capsid, and complex viruses, such as bacteriophages, have elaborate structures, including tails, used for genome injection into host cells. We are going to mind map viral structure. So that will be our core viral structure. Stemming from that, we have virion. From virion, we have infectious viral particle and genome plus capsid. From our core, we have viral genome. Stemming from viral genome, we have DNA and or RNA. We also have single-stranded or double-stranded. So we'll do single-stranded or double-stranded. And lastly, stemming from viral genome, we have linear or circular. Linear or circular. From our core, we have capsid. Stemming from capsid, we have protein shell. We have capsomere. And we have protect genome. Stemming from our core, we have envelope for some viruses. Some. Stemming from envelope, we have lipid bilayer. Oops. Lipid bilayer from host membrane. Stemming from envelope, we also have glycoprotein, glycoprotein spikes, and we also have, put it up here, sensitive to environment. Okay, our last one, stemming from our viral structure core, is morphologies. Remember CHEP, CHEP, CHEP. So we have complex, we have helical, envelope, and P is polyhedral or icosahedral. And I'm running out of space, so we're going to loop it up top. Icosahedral. And that is our micro mind map. Practice this a couple times, commit it to memory, and you'll have this topic down pat.